I am in Asheville, North Carolina. If you're new to the channel, my name's Kenny. The channel is called Novel World, and I do new and novel things and bring you along. I'm here today to see something special. Every Friday, except for in the winter, they have a drum circle, and I've always wanted to go to it, so I'm here. We're gonna go check it out, so let's go. This is an artistic town. Asheville's been here since the 18th century, right after the United States became independent from Britain. Asheville sort of was settled. Originally, Asheville was part of the Asheville was part of the Cherokee Nation, which existed before the English even came here. And since then, people settled here, Europeans settled, and it's been here ever since. Right now, it's a place that sort of sits in the Blue Ridge Mountains, and is known for its artists and its beautiful architecture. So let's head towards the drums and check it out. So I'm not really going to give you a full tour today, but what I wanted to do is come check it out, which I've looked at it before, but it was crazy hot. It's very humid here, up in the mountains here and down south. But I wanted to come see this drum circle. I mean, from what I hear, it starts off at around 6. It's around 6:30 now, I think, 6:15. And it builds up, and sometimes there can be hundreds of people from what I'm told. So I don't know what we're going to expect today, but we're getting close to it. So let's see what we can see. Nope, I think I see it. So basically, people come and bring their own drums and everybody just joins in. This is my kind of place. Anything like this? Hey, I got a new buddy here. What's your name?
Andy.
Andy just came here from New Zealand, moved to Asheville, and this is what he gets to see every Friday. What do you think?
Amazing.
Amazing?
People listening to each other.
Yeah, for sure, man. They're in harmony right now. So the thing about the drum circle is there's no leaders. People just come and join in, and everybody's in harmony with each other, whether it be drums or just people being in harmony with each other. And that's what's so special about this place. I don't know when it started. I can't find any history on when it got started, but it's awesome. It's such an awesome thing, and if you ever in Asheville, you should come see this. Camera is catching the sound and how it feels, but you can feel it inside your chest. There's some awesome music and all those people together. I mean, like, I don't know, you can feel the spirit here. Check this out, man. Been to Asheville, you know about this drum line. If you haven't been to Asheville, you need to come here and join in. This is fun. Next time I come here, 100% will have a drum or something, even a pot and pan. I've seen kids out here with pots and pans. So come check this place out. This is the heart and soul of the city here. Can you imagine having a hard day at work and then coming here and just beating away your sorrows? They just continue to play and take breaks here and there and vibe with each other. But I'm gonna stay here for a while. I'm gonna let you guys go. But